Prepare. To make ready for something. I prepare breakfast every morning. She prepares for exams by studying hard. They prepare the garden for planting. We prepare for trips by packing bags. He prepares his speech before the meeting.